Hi guys, so welcome to there's online IT school and new IT jobs. And the first job is IT support technician that is offered from the company called Maple Leaf Sports and Entertainment, and this is in Toronto, where responsibilities are you should know Mac OS, iOS, Android, desktop mailbox, and IT incident management, and you also should know Windows. And requirements again are you should be MCSA, MCSE, you should know Active Directory and GPO, Windows 7 and Windows 10, ITIL. You should do that certifications. You should know MacBooks, iPhones, and iPads as well. Some technical background of that. So, good luck applying for this job. And then there's another job on Indeed.com. For the last job, obviously you need to apply on Indeed.com on this link. Then I'm gonna be putting that in my comment section description under that video. So let's go for system engineer job. That is Daisy Intelligence. They are offering, this company is offering in Toronto, Ontario. This is system engineer, and the requirements there are skills and qualifications. They need you to be Informatica, Talent, Aluma, SAP Data Services expert. Artificial intelligence and analytics background is a plus, and they're offering very good. It's a Toronto-based job, and you get the idea from what the skills are required. So this link will be also present in the description of this video. Network engineer jobs offered from General Dynamics here, and it's also in Toronto, and so they need clearance of course before you join. And what they want from you is if you're a CCNP, CCNA, and a security expert with expertise with CISSP, then you are supposed to apply for this job, right? So again, General Dynamics, and it's offered in Toronto, Ontario. Then another job is Marsh Winds International Inc. It's in Toronto, and what they want you to know is all the Cisco related protocols there, and dynamic routing as well. So we're looking for a network engineer to take a key role on deployment and maintenance of our network infrastructure. So basically your Cisco protocols knowledge and experience is required there. It's also in Toronto. The link I will put in the description. Then there is another network engineer job, and that is offered by Comwave Group in Toronto, Ontario. And what they want you to have as skills is you should have Cisco knowledge of switches and routers, Fortinet, FortiGate as well. Then you should have knowledge of VPNs, DDoS, DPI, MPLS, VLAN, SDP, LACP. All protocols should be very clear. A lot of Cisco jobs there coming. Fortinet NSE certification is nice to have, and CCIE current is an asset. So good luck with that. I'm just gonna put that job link here as well. So subscribe to this video and tune in for next videos. If there are any comments, let me know what you want to see in future videos. And till then, bye bye.